Good afternoon. This is a walkthrough on how to access my e-portfolio and how to find all of the different tabs that you need. So when you first log on to the Weebly page, you will see my name at the top, my different tabs, such as Home, Video Reflection, About Me, Artifacts, and How to Contact Me. If at any point you don't feel like using the tabs at the top, each of these pictures are linked to one of those tabs that will go ahead and take you to that page. So for example, if you wanted to go quickly to the About Me, you can click on here and we'll go ahead and take you to that page. Once you are done, you can always click that home button where you can use the different tabs at the top or the pictures. So we'll go ahead and walk through each one of my tabs and how to access my video reflection and artifacts. So the very first tab is the video reflection. When I click on my video reflection, it is going to take me to YouTube.
Good morning. My name is...
This is where my video reflection is located. It is public, so you are able to watch it at any point. Once you are done, you can go ahead and click the back button, and it'll take you back to the home page. My next tab is the About Me. In the About Me, it's going to give you all the information on why I chose to become a teacher, my education background, including my undergraduate degree, my career history, as well as my resume that includes all of this information but in much more detail, so you can get a true understanding of how I work as a teacher. Probably the most important tab, the artifacts, is clearly labeled. Now, when I created this page, I went and created a big bold title of the course in which that I chose to complete the assignments and reflections from. So when you see these big bold titles, they have to do with the course that I chose to reflect on. Now, after you see the big bold letters, you'll see in bigger letters but not bold the actual assignments, such as teacher interview, case study assignment, etc. This is going to tell you the assignment in which I chose to revise and reflect on. Underneath each of these tabs, you will find my revised version as well as my reflection, and it is going to be in that order for each one. So it's going to be my revised copy and then my reflection, so it'll be the same order. All you have to do in order to access it is click download file, and then it'll go ahead and download. You can open it and you're able to access it and keep that for your records. When creating all of my different artifacts, I chose them because I feel these are the ones that showed my true growth as a teacher. And they really helped me reflect on who I wanted to become. So as I went through each of these and chose them, I wanted you guys to view, well, who is she as an educator? What does she look for in order to grow and reflect? So these are the ones that really show my philosophy and the importance of communication and how I believe in reflecting in order to become a better teacher. Now, once we're done viewing all the artifacts, if you have any questions, you are able to contact me. To contact me, you just need to give your name, first and last, your email, and then the comment. This will get directly sent to my email, and I am able to answer you back and give you any information that you may need. Now, this is my portfolio. This link will be found over here, and I will go ahead and create another thing just in case so you can access it. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.